Tired of juggling cash and struggling to keep track of your spending? Getting a Halifax debit card could be the solution you've been searching for. Today, we'll break down exactly how to get your hands on a Halifax debit card, making everyday transactions and managing your finances a whole lot easier. First, you'll need to choose the right Halifax account for your needs. Halifax offers a range of accounts, from basic current accounts suitable for everyday banking, to accounts with added benefits like travel insurance or rewards. Head over to the Halifax website and carefully compare the different account types. Consider factors like monthly fees, interest rates, and any perks that might appeal to you. Once you've chosen an account, you can usually apply online, in a branch, or even over the phone. For online applications, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact details. You'll also need to provide proof of identity, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure you have digital copies or are prepared to provide this documentation at a branch if applying in person. If applying in a branch, a Halifax representative will guide you through the application process and answer any questions you might have. Once your application is approved, Halifax will send your debit card to your registered address. It usually takes a few business days for the card to arrive. Once you receive it, you'll need to activate it, either online or by calling the number provided on the card carrier. With your Halifax debit card in hand, you can now enjoy the convenience of making purchases online and in stores, withdrawing cash from ATMs, and easily managing your finances through online and mobile banking. A debit card helps you track your spending and stay in control of your money, making budgeting simpler and preventing overspending.